5 people were shot on Balcombe Drive in St. Andrew after midday today. 2 died and have since been identified only by their aliases. Kirk Wright has the details.
Along Balcombe Drive in St. Andrew shortly after midday on Thursday, a game of dominoes was interrupted by gangsters firing at their enemy. At least 4 people were here playing dominoes.
A vehicle with men aboard came up. The men exited the vehicle, opened fire at the group of men playing. So far, we know that 2 persons have died.
3 other people were injured, including a woman who was sitting in her shop. The police say, as far as they know, most of the victims are innocent.
We have about 5 persons who are currently at the hospital being treated.
Like in many similar shootings across the island, Commanding Officer Superintendent Kirk Ricketts says so far the motive seems to be gang-related.
This is a hotspot community in the St. Andrew South Division. We have had quite a number of incidents in the space over the years, and this is just one more of a series of tit-for-tat between gang members.
He says for some time the police have dominated the space, but that criminals continue to wreak havoc.
We are about to go back to the drawing board to see how best we can deal with it.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.